Hello friends, this is Anil from BloggersPassion.com. So far we have talked a lot about how you can bring more traffic to your blog from Google search, as well as we have talked about how you can use Quora kind of platforms to bring more and more traffic to your blog. Now let's talk about how you can make more money from your blog. In today's video I'm going to review BlueHost affiliate program. If you have blog around blogging, or if you want to gain more revenue from web hosting affiliate programs, then you should watch this video. There are three things we are going to talk about in today's video. One, how much money we are able to make from BlueHost affiliate program and its earning potential. Second, reasons to promote BlueHost affiliate program. And third, what kind of content we should be creating to get maximum sales from BlueHost affiliate program. So first of all, let's talk about how we are doing with BlueHost affiliate program. So for this, let me take you to my BlueHost affiliate program dashboard. So I'll just go to my BlueHost affiliate dashboard. If you look at my BlueHost dashboard, so far I get 14 sales and the money that I made from them is $1,400, and the total clicks that are sent are 278. So I'm getting paid around $100 for every sale that I'm sending to BlueHost. Now let's see how much we have made from them so far in total. I'm starting it from 2016 1st May, and then let's click apply. So if you look at this screenshot, we have so far made 32,000 plus money from BlueHost affiliate program. If you look at first year in 2016, we sent 1378 clicks, total signups were 14, and the total earning was $910. So it's like the conversion rate was 1% type. It's like we were getting sales after every 100 click. And if we go to 2017, the total number of clicks that were sent were 3653, total signups were 90, and the earnings were $6190. And if you do the calculations, the conversion rate was 2.4% type. It's like we were getting sales after every 40 or 50 clicks from BlueHost affiliate program. In 2018, the total number of clicks that we sent were 3272, the total signups were 190, and the earning was 18,000 plus. And if you do the calculations, we were able to get more than 5% conversion rate in 2018. It's like we are getting sales after every 20 clicks. And let's see how we have done so far in 2019. If you look at the numbers, the total number of clicks are 1356, signups are 75, and the earning so far is $7500. Again, the conversion rate in 2019 as well is more than 5%. If you look at this graph, you can see we are able to make more revenue from BlueHost affiliate program every year, and the conversion rate is also improving. We are easily able to make $1,500 plus every month from BlueHost affiliate program only. Now let's go to the stats, and just let me take you to the payment history to show you how much money we are actually getting every month from BlueHost affiliate program. So if you look at this screen, you can easily see they happen to make payment around 16th of every month. So far we have made $1,400 in this month, and last month was also $1,400. In March we made $1,300. In Feb it was $1,500. In Jan it was $1,900. In December it was $1,800. In November it was $2,700 due to Black Friday sale. So this is how we are able to make money from BlueHost affiliate program. So if you look at, we are able to make $1,500 to $2,000 every month from BlueHost affiliate program only. So this is the kind of amount we are able to generate from BlueHost affiliate program. But there are lots of bloggers who are able to make 5 figures, more than $10,000 from BlueHost affiliate program only. Let me show you one example. Let me take to the Ryan Robinson website, and let's go to its blog section. And now let's go to the side income reports. Let's check Ryan's April 2019 income report. If you scroll down, and here is his earnings for the month of April. In April 2019 he has made 58,000 plus in total, and 42,000 plus comes from BlueHost affiliate program only. So that's the true potential of BlueHost affiliate program. So you can make that much of money from BlueHost affiliate program only. So this was the first part where we talked about like how much money we are able to make from BlueHost and what is the true potential with BlueHost affiliate program. Now let's talk about the second part, which is why we should be promoting BlueHost as the product. Let's go to this start a blog page on my blog, and then you can just click on this link. So when you click on this link, you will be taken to this page on bluehost.com, which is a special page for BloggersPassion readers. So there are few reasons due to which we should be promoting BlueHost as a product. One, it is recommended by WordPress.org website. Second, with special discounts and offers, you can save some money for your blog readers. If you look at this screenshots, if people are buying BlueHost hosting from our link, they can get it for $2.95 per month only. And in general, if they go to BlueHost website, they will need to pay more basically. So by offering the special discounts or deals, we are able to save some money of our blog readers. Then they will be getting a free domain, they will be getting free SSL certificate as well, and moreover they will be getting the 30-day money back guarantee. It means if you are not happy with BlueHost services or BlueHost as a product, you can get the full refund within 30 days from the date of web hosting purchase. So there is no risk involved from your end. You can try BlueHost web hosting for 30 days. If you're happy, you can just keep on using it. Otherwise, you can ask for a refund within the first 30 days. Now let's come to the third part, which is what kind of contents we should be promoting to get more sales for BlueHost affiliate program. There are lots of contents I wish can create to get more sales for BlueHost or any other web hosting related product. One, we can create reviews around the products that are being offered by any web hosting company. So in case of BlueHost, it could be BlueHost review or BlueHost WordPress review or BlueHost VPS review or any other product they are promoting. Then we can create comparison posts around BlueHost as well, like BlueHost versus SiteGround, BlueHost versus WPX hosting, BlueHost versus HostGator. So we can do comparison post with BlueHost with other hosts and how they are competing with each other. Third, we can do how-to manuals, like how to start a blog on BlueHost or how to start a blog in 2019, or how to start a fashion blog or technology blog or Hindi blog, or even how to start a fashion blog, beauty blog. So whatever content type or whatever industry you are working, so you can create the whole process around bluehost.com product as well. Then you can create deals and discounts kind of pages on your blog, and you can also create special pages for special occasions like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas or New Year as well. Around this time, these companies offer huge discounts, so you can get good amount of sales from BlueHost and other web hosting related companies. If you have checked the screenshot that I was sharing in the first part of this video, you have seen we were able to make good amount of revenue from BlueHost affiliate program in November month, because in November it was Black Friday, so due to which we got good amount of sales from BlueHost affiliate program. Then you can create list kind of posts like top 10 web hosts, cheapest WordPress hosting, best managed WordPress hosting, top web host that offers free SSL certificate. So you can think of lots of content ideas where you can include BlueHost in the top position basically. And when you are working on any content type, don't forget to use any keyword research tool like SEMrush or Ahref. None of your content should go live on your blog without proper keyword research. There should be at least one target keyword for each and every blog post that you are doing on your blog. Once you have created the contents on your blog, it's time to promote them. You should look at maximum ways how you can promote them. Creating great content is just half work done. By the time you don't promote your contents, you can't expect more traffic to those contents from Google search. Most of topics around blogging or web hosting industry are very competitive. So you have to build lots of quality backlinks for your targeted pages if you are aiming at getting good amount of traffic to those pages from Google search. So get lots of quality backlinks to those targeted pages from different sources. I have already created a blog post on my blog where I talked about different ways I use to build backlinks for my blog. So you can just check that post from the description of this video and see how you can build backlinks for your web hosting related products pages as well. Apart from this, you can use social media kind of websites like Facebook or Quora or Twitter or even Pinterest to drive more and more traffic to your web hosting related pages. I'm sure by implementing these things you should be able to earn more revenue from your blog, from web hosting or any other related products as well. Friends, in case you have any question about BlueHost affiliate program or any other affiliate program, you can use the comment section below. And if you're liking my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Guys, I'll keep coming with more and more educational videos around blogging topics, so keep watching and we'll see you in the next video.